The 2013 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock brakes, air conditioning, driver airbag, alloy wheels, cruise control, bed liner, CD player, power windows, power locks, leather seats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.